Okay. Now my third technique is called 100% accuracy trading. How many of you would like to make money with 100% accuracy? Raise your hand, come on. Thank you so much, okay? Now, if you want to make money using this technique, pay attention. There are 3 currencies out there. Australian dollar, euro and British pound. Now, I'm asking you to buy euro and I'm also telling you when to buy. So there's an entry date which says 24th of November and there's an exit date which says 6th of December. If you buy on the 24th of November, if you sell on the 6th of December, and if you do this, ladies and gentlemen, for 8 years, that means every single year if you did this, then out of 8 years, how many years would you win? All 8! Everyone say, all 8! Every single year you win. That means your winning percentage is what? 100%. Ladies and gentlemen, 100%. How many of you want to start trading with 100% success? Come on, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Thank you so much. So for the last 8 years, if you had done this, you would have won every single year. The question is, how much profit you would have made? You would have made $2,822 US additional income in addition to your job income. Like I told you, I want to be realistic out here. I don't want to flash $250,000. I don't want to flash 1 million because you know what? You have never seen that money. But some of you have seen 2,000. Are you with me? Some of you have seen 3,000. What you see, you believe. What you believe, you take action. Are you with me? When you take action, you see results. That is what I was taught by my father. He said, if you have not seen it, don't believe it. And he was right. He's not there anymore. But I can never forget what he has taught me. Now, let me prove it to you, why this thing works. So everyone, pay attention. For the last 8 years, from November to December, every single year, where does euro go? Where does it go? Up! 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 So what do you do? Every year. Buy! 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 Make money! Everyone clap! Come on! Everyone clap! Come on! Because it's 100% success. And when I started off, I wanted something that is foolproof. Now, this is an example from November to December. The problem is, we have to wait for November to come. Yes or no? But I have good news for you. Every single month, there is one currency. By the way, there are 60 currencies which you can trade. But there's one out of the 60 every single month which goes up for sure. We are right now in the month of May. Today is 1st of May. Okay? And today is the first day of the month. How many of you would like to know what is the currency for the month of May which you all can buy and make money for sure? Raise your hand, come on. Okay, how about for the next month, June? Raise your hand, come on. How about for the rest of the year? Come on, raise your hand. You know what? I'm going to give it to you today. Come on, raise your hand. I'm going to give it to you. You know why? Because I want all of you to win. Yes, you have waited long enough. Haven't you? Come on. When I say long enough means not 3 days. You have waited long enough in life. And every single day when you come home, you say, when my turn will come. Your turn has come. Your turn has come. Come on. Come on. I'm going to give it to you. I've never given it to anyone. But I'm going to give it to you. All of you. Alright? All of you. Alright? Okay, my next technique is called explosive profit technique. Everyone write down. Explosive profit. Now, how many of you would like to make explosive profit? Be honest with me. Raise your hand. Honest with me. Raise your hand. Okay. Now, before I can talk to you about explosive profit, let's do a quick recap. What is the first technique? Come on. Come on, louder. Louder. Instant profit. Instant pip profit. Which is what? Buying at the floor, selling at the roof. Which is the second technique? Pip maximizer. What's Pip maximizer? Buying the currency of the country that is strong, selling the currency of the country that is weak. Balaam gave an example. Which is the third one? 100% accuracy. Which means what? Every single month there's one currency that goes up for sure. Just one currency. And all you got to do is just buy. You know what? Once you know the remaining 11 months, you just keep doing that year after year. Are you with me? I already gave you for 1 month. November to December. Which is that currency? Euro. I hope you've written it down. I'm going to give you for this month, May. Alright? Later. Now, I'm the only trainer with a certified track record. Mind you, certified. Every trainer that comes on stage, only if he has a certified track record, then and only then learn from that person. You got to prove it before you can teach how to make money to others. It's not just my students, it's me first who makes money. Hello, it's me first. If I can make money, I can show you how to make money. 2003, 2004 made a 99.05% return. Certified by Ernst & Young. Ladies and gentlemen, let me show you. Let me show you this. Here, this is my website and there's my track record. Okay, and over here you can see Ernst & Young, and over here you will see 2003. Where was the market? Where was the market? 2003. At the rock bottom. At the rock bottom. I made my returns when the market was the rock bottom. 2005, I made a 233% return. Again certified by Ernst & Young. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the highest return in the whole world. If I can make one of the highest return in the whole world, I can certainly teach you how to make money. Are you with me? Now what I want you to do is, I want you to quickly read this, everyone. Just quickly read this. Okay? Now devaluing the pound means the pound is going down. Okay? He is none other than Soros. How many of you have heard of Soros? George Soros, come on. Thank you so much. Before the announcement, Soros had sold 10 billion in sterling. When the news broke, his hedge fund raked up almost 1 billion in profit. He did it again in 1997, which led to the Asian currency crisis. How many of you remember the Asian currency crisis? Come on. Thank you so much. One trade, one man, one hedge fund. From that point on, the world has never looked at FX trading the same way again. This is how it looks for those who don't know. Yeah? It's very rare to see him smiling. Ladies and gentlemen, look here. Majority of the people are trying to make money from where? From the stock market. Yes or no? Come on. Okay. If on one street there's only one shop, that shop will make a lot of money, correct? But if everyone sees that shop is making a lot of money, what will they do? They will all set up shops besides this shop, correct? And what will happen? No one will make money, correct? That's exactly what's happening in the stock market. Everyone wants to make money from the stock market. That is why no one is making. Hello. But you know what? FX trading is different. In FX trading, the street is empty. It's empty. Do you know why? Because FX trading was allowed only 7 years ago. Prior to 2000, only two people were allowed to trade FX. One was banks and other was hedge funds. People like us. Only we were allowed. Which means majority of the people do not know how to trade FX. So look here. Once people start to realize that there's money to be made in FX, once they start seeing Balaam, they see Adi, they see all the participants making money, what are they going to do? They're going to start to switch from stock market to where? FX. If you get into the in the FX market 10 years from now, it is too late. You got to get in now when no one wants to get in. Are you with me? If you want to be rich in life, you got to do the opposite of the majority. Are you with me? Because the majority is always wrong, always poor. When you're wrong, you're broke. When you're broke, you're poor. Are you with me? Yeah? Do you agree with me? 80% are poor, 20% is rich. Come on. Soros belongs to 80% or 20%? And what is he doing? What is he doing? Forex. So if you want to be successful, what must you do? Follow the successful. Hello? It is that simple. Ladies and gentlemen, when you come to my program, I'm going to teach you how to make $100,000 in the very first year of your Forex trading. Give yourself a very big hand. Come on. I have a plan, and my plan is to teach you to make $2,000 a week. Every single week. If you make $2,000 a week, how much will you make in a year? If you make $2,000 a week, if you multiply this by 52 weeks, how much you get? You get more than 100,000. In life, if you want to achieve bigger goals, you must break them down to smaller goals. When you break them down to smaller goals, they look realistic. Because you know why? You have seen 2,000. Are you with me? When you see 2,000, you take action. When you take action, you see results. Got it? Yeah?